सुन रेडियो मिर्ची, मेरा नाम है याचना और मेरे साथ फ्राइडे चबी मॉर्निंग्स पर दिस टाइम आई हैव अ सरप्राइज फॉर यू एंड वी आर गोना इंट्रोड्यूस यू टू समवन वेरी वेरी स्पेशल. अगर आपको याद हो तो हम कुछ महीनों पहले बात कर रहे थे कैंपेन की विच वी टोटली सपोर्टेड. इट वाज स्प्लैश हार्ट ऑफ गोल्ड कैंपेन. And we have with us one of the winners, Nitin Naik, with us. Hello and welcome to the studio, first of all.
Hi, Yachna.
We are very happy to have you here and we want to know more and I'm sure the listeners would be happy to know about Heart of Gold जो हम ढूंढ रहे थे. इतने सारे होते हैं हमारे आजू बाजू कई बारी in small gestures or big gestures, but we want to know about the initiatives that you have taken up. And उनमें से सबसे पहला तो ये है that you're trying to get 125 kids who are not from that well a background that they can support their studies, but they are bright enough. They are very, very smart. Like their brains are very sharp. So how are you going about it? How are you spotting these kids?
First of all, thank you, Yachna, for inviting me. I'm privileged to have this opportunity.
The pleasure is
ours. I'll give you a quick background of my work. I've started this work 10 years ago, and I've started with two kids. When they graduated, I realized that it's with such a little help you can create two good citizens who can support their own family. So I started to taking this initiative to my friends, and slowly in last 4 years it has grown to be 125 children who are getting support from different communities, and they are using that to their maximum potential. So the way we spot these kids is an organization called CASP India, which is started by common people like you and me, who have had the sort of objective to create good citizens who are not necessarily from a well financial background. So they started this 35 years ago, and
so they kind of
the intention,
spot these kids.
The kind of the criteria I would say to spot these kids is whether they are first of all good academic talent, but they have a desire to do something in life.
But if financially they're not able to do it,
yes,
you're helping them achieve those dreams.
We are trying to develop them socio-economically.
That's
as
fabulous.
Their personality.
That's fabulous. And you also have a second initiative, which was your dad's dream of supporting a boxing club.
Yes. My dad was a boxer in his life. He did not take a penny when he was boxing or coaching for 40 years. Unfortunately, he passed away in 2011. And I took that commitment on me that his legacy should continue. And his students have come to me that, okay, they are willing to continue his club. So I have taken that commitment to support his legacy and create boxing scholarship for deserving children.
And if I may ask you, जाते जाते एक सवाल सिर्फ कि आप इतने बच्चों का सपना पूरा कर रहे हैं. What is that one sapna that you have in your life? The big dream.
Yeah, thanks Yachna for asking that question. I was about to answer anyhow because I have a dream. I'm living now 23 years in India or Pune, and then 20 years now I've lived in different parts of the world. One dream I'm carrying since I left Pune is to have my own charity trust, and my dream is to support as many as kids or deserving kids for education which they deserve, and sports players, especially boxing is close to my heart because of dad's legacy. So my dream is to create that charity one day, and inshallah I will do it.
Inshallah you will do it, and God bless you for doing such good work. Thank you and keep it up. And on this note, because we just spoke about boxing, which was his dad's passion, and so much so that he never charged a penny in training all those boxers that he trained through his life. So why not have a song from Maricom which celebrated this spirit of, what it takes to be a boxer. Let's have a song from this movie. On Radio Mirchi, this is Yachna with you. Stay tuned.